Okay. So Wednesday recap. Going into the day on the hourly. NQ still in this gap. These are all-time highs, but ES, um, this is the same this is the same gap actually, and we like completely bought up overnight and we took out all-time highs right before market open. And so there's no draw really unless we continue to shoot up. I would take something on ES probably, but didn't exactly get that. Instead, we got a dump. So we stepped out all-time highs and then we dumped down, and NASDAQ is the more bearish pair. So market opens, dump, right? Looking for some sort of draw. Um, let's see. So these lows were the best draw. Reason being is well, we took out this low way too quick, right? We have these lows off you just have stack lows right here, but this low is not because this is where we flipped and this is inside of the gap right here, which might be daily gap actually. Yeah. So that's a protected low. These aren't, so we would take anything to there. And we got a retrace and then a really weak flip. Um, so yes, this gap should support us going lower, but your entry would have to be this, which, doesn't look too chopped, but so the 1 minute looks fine, right? But on the 5 minute, right, we not only do we wick this low, but we don't tap into the 5 minute gap or the 3 minute gap. We edge that. It's only the 2 minute, and I'm not a big fan of 2 minute. I like at least 3 minute. Most likely 5 minute is the best. So I'm not taking that mainly because of this 5 minute wick, because there is a gap below this too, right? So we can, sweep this and then flip that, go higher. So not taking that. And then the just the delivery was so trash going down to that low. There was no entries. And then we chop. And that's it. That's it for the day. Sometimes trading is so simple. You just look at the day and like something happens, you just don't trade. And that's been Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week. So tomorrow is the only red folder news for the week, so hoping that that brings, something. And yeah,